In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can make a one-handed keyboard on iPhone. You can simply make your keyboard one-handed in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your phone settings. Tap on General. Select the option of Keyboard. Tap on the third option of One-Handed Keyboard. You can either choose it on your right or the left-hand side. Let's choose right. Hand onto your keyboard and see if it's successfully updated. You can also tap on this global icon right here to switch sides. That's how easy it is to put your keyboard on one side of the screen. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.